So let's look at how we factor a difference of two squares. First of all, we know it's a difference of two squares because this is m squared and 9 is 3 squared. So we factor this, m times m, square root there, and the square root of 9 is 3, 3, 3, 1 plus, 1 minus. If we were going to check this, m times m is m squared. This is negative 3m, this is positive 3m, so they would add to 0, and then 3 times negative 3, negative 9. Okay? So if we look at this one, 49 is a perfect square of what number? Right, 7. So we do 1 plus, 1 minus. 25, you probably know that one quite easily. So it's b times b, 5 times 5. One's a plus, one's a minus. It doesn't matter which one is the plus, which one is a minus. One factor has to be a b minus 5, and one has to be a b plus 5. Okay? 64. What number squared is 64? That's 8. So our factoring is going to be r and an 8, r and an 8. One's a plus, one's a minus. Now, we can also have a perfect square at the beginning of this. So let's look at this. 9 is 3 squared, this is a squared, and 25 is 5 squared. So our factoring is going to be 3a and a 5, 3a and a 5, 1 plus, 1 minus. Okay? Next one, 81, 9 squared, x squared, 2 squared. So our factoring is going to be 9x and a 2, 9x and a 2, one's a plus, one's a minus. Okay. 4 is 2 squared, a squared, 3 squared. So we have a 2a and a 3, 2a and a 3, one's a plus, one's a minus. 16 is what number squared? Right, 4. 25 is 5 squared, so our factoring is 4b and a 5, 4b and a 5, one's a plus, one's a minus. Okay. 49 is 7 squared, r squared, 4 squared. So our factoring is 7r, 4, one's a plus, one's a minus. Okay, you get the idea. Now, sometimes we can have, both terms will have a variable. So when we look at this, we have m squared, this is 2 squared. So our factoring is going to be an m and a 2y, an m and a 2y, one's a plus, one's a minus. This is 8 squared, a squared, 7 squared, b squared. So our factoring is going to be 8a, 7b, 8a, 7b, and again, one's a minus, one's a plus.